I'm Emmanuel and welcome to my workbench. Today I'm going to be sharing what I got in the mail. I got it in two packages, even though it's from the same person. I guess they split it up into two. So let's see what I got. All right, let's go to the first banknote that I got. These are Canadian banknotes. And this is a $2 banknote from the 1974 series. And as you can tell, there is a star here. This is a replacement banknote. This is the series that was that I grew up with. This is so they have some Inuit from the north with their kayaks going on a hunting or coming back from a hunting expedition. Yeah, this is the banknote that I grew up with, the multicolor series, 1974 replacement banknote. That is awesome. After this series, we had this series. This is the Birds of Canada series. This is 1986. This is the last $2 issued. After this, the $2 bill was replaced with the toonie, of course. So this is the series that replaced this series over here. And this features the North American robin. And as you can tell, there is an X as the third character. In this series, the X as the third character symbolizes a replacement note. So you have another replacement note here. The American robin, Canada written in the back there. Very, very cool. I have another banknote. Same in the series. The blue $5 bill. And this one is also a replacement banknote having an X in the third position. And this is a Kingfisher. Very cool. Banknote number 4 in the same series. This one was issued in '89, featuring our first Prime Minister. Very cool. And as you guessed it, ATX. X symbolizes that this is a replacement banknote. And this one is an osprey. Very, very cool. The final one in this series, this is the 1991 $20 bill. This one has a green, a color changing ink spot there on the corner, or a foil spot. That's the 20, that says 20 in it. And this, as well as you may have guessed, AIX is a replacement banknote with the loon, which will be prominently featured in our $1 coin. Very, very cool. I did not have any replacement notes for the Birds of Canada series, so I'm happy to have these, one of each. I'm missing the 50 and the 100 and the 1,000, but of course I don't expect ever to have a $1,000 bill, but that we don't know yet. We don't know. We don't know what the future holds. Maybe one day we'll see, but for now I'm limiting myself to up to the $100 bill and leaving it at that. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, click on my logo over here to subscribe. Here is a video that might be of interest to you, as well as a playlist of other banknote videos. Until next time, thanks for watching.